Which tonneau cover for your Honda Ridgeline is actually good? Simple question, but there's a lot of noise in this space. Today, we're cutting through that confusion to find the perfect match for your truck. Product number 1, Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold. First up is the Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. At about $223, it's a solid middle ground option that caught my eye with its heavy-duty 24 Oz marine-grade vinyl. If you want a durable cover that's easy to use, this is worth a serious look. The pre-assembled horizontal crossbars provide support and allow for full bed access when you need it. Plus, it has a respectable 4.7-star rating from over 552 reviews, which shows a lot of folks are happy with it. Now, some people complained about having to make small cuts in the bedliner for installation. Here's the thing though, if you're okay with a little DIY, it's not a deal breaker. Many users found the installation straightforward once they got through that step. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and easy-to-install cover that protects your gear. Skip this one if you're looking for something more advanced or feature-rich. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if the installation issue bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up. Next up is the Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, priced at $199.95. This one caught my attention because it combines affordability with functionality. If you want a cover that rolls up easily and provides solid weather protection, this is worth a serious look. The design features a dual-coated heavy-duty 24 Oz marine-grade vinyl and built-in horizontal crossbars that keep it flat when needed but roll up for full bed access. The Velcro seals on the sides ensure that your cargo stays dry and secure in harsh weather. It's also got a 4.7-star rating, just like its sibling, which means it's a hit among users too. Some complaints include the need for minor adjustments during installation. But honestly, most users found it manageable and worth the effort given the cover's quality. This is perfect for you if you value easy access and a budget-friendly price. Skip this if you need something with a hard-shell design or advanced security features. Overall, it's a great deal for the money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for durability. Product number 3, FRP Hard Trifold. Coming in at $415.99 is the FRP Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover. Right away, I noticed its tough build made from a durable PP honeycomb core and reinforced FRP panels. If you want something that can handle serious heavy lifting, this is worth considering. It's designed to withstand up to 500 pounds of impact, which is great if you often carry heavy tools or gear. The trifold design allows for quick access to your bed without needing to remove the entire cover. Plus, the black powder coating is scratch-resistant and UV protective, keeping your cover looking good for years. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 620 reviews, it's clear this cover has won over many truck owners. However, a few users mentioned that it doesn't fit models with a roll bar, which can be a deal breaker. But if you don't have that issue, the protection and durability it offers make it an excellent choice. This is perfect for you if you need a tough cover for heavy-duty use. Skip this if your Ridgeline has a roll bar or if you prefer a lighter cover. For what you're getting, it's a worthwhile investment. Now, if the price of the last one felt a bit high, this next option offers a more budget-friendly route without sacrificing too much quality. Product number 4, Tiger Auto T3X Soft Trifold. Next, we have the Tiger Auto T3X Soft Trifold in fabric, priced at $329. This caught my eye because of its premium fabric design. If you want a cover that not only looks good but also protects against the elements, this is worth a serious look. The pre-assembled horizontal crossbars are a nice touch too, as they offer support and allow for full bed access. With a 4.7-star rating and over 552 reviews, it's clear many people are satisfied with this cover's performance. Now, some users did mention that the installation instructions could be clearer. But honestly, if you follow along carefully, it's manageable and worth the investment for the added style and protection. This is perfect for you if you want something visually appealing that still gets the job done. Skip this if you're on a super tight budget, as it's pricier than some other options. Still, in terms of quality, it's a great value. And finally, if you want a no-frills budget option, the last product might just be your best bet. Product number 5, MaxMate Soft Roll-Up. Last on our list is the MaxMate Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, priced at just $169.95. This option really stands out for its affordability while still delivering solid performance. If you want a functional cover that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. It seals with a Velcro strip and has a latch lock system at the tailgate, ensuring your cargo stays secure through rain or shine. With a 4.5-star rating from 181 reviews, it's a budget-friendly favorite. However, some users reported issues with the fit, especially if they didn't double-check compatibility. But I'd say if you do your homework, this cover can be a great value for the price you're paying. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an economical option that's easy to install. Skip this if you want a more premium feel or a hard shell. All in all, it offers excellent value for the money. So there you have it, 5 great tonneau covers for your Honda Ridgeline. From the durable Tiger Auto T3 to the budget-friendly MaxMate, there's something for everyone. Think about what matters most to you, whether it's price, durability, or style, and go for the one that fits your needs best.